how to change font size in Wix website. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change font size in Wix website. So the first thing to do is to log into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the right side of the screen, you'll see the design site icon. Ensure you click on it. So once you click on it, to be directed to your Wix website editors page. Okay, so this page, the editors page, as the name implies, is a place where you can edit your site to suit your needs. All right, so just wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be brought to your editors page, editors home page. So once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to click the text element in the editor. Okay, so how do you click text element on the editor? The first thing to do is to move over to the left side of the screen, where you see some options, all right, such as the add element, add session, etc. And then click on add elements. Once you click on add elements, a box will be displayed, and then the first option you see is text. That is our focus in this tutorial. So once you take it to text, you'll see theme text, title, paragraphs, text marks. So this depends on the type of text that you want to work with. All right, for me, I'm working with the paragraph, all right, because this is what I want to work with. So once you place your custom paragraphs, you will see the kind of font and their sizes. All right, so next thing for you to do, just to select the one you want, and then once you've selected it, long press on it and then drag it to the page, just like that. And then once you've dragged it to the page, you can now increase or decrease the text by moving the toggle next to the text. As is where the text is located, you can just move it this way or that way, or by clicking on the box and then this arrow moving downwards, you can just use it this way to change the location. And to edit it, you can click on change text or change design, and the box available, just click on change text. And then once you click on change text, here you can edit it and write whatever you want in there, and then you can scroll down to edit it the way you want. So this is how you can change text or font size in your Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.